Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this video because we just hit a super exciting milestone for YouTube. I hit 100 subscribers. Now I'm at 102 subscribers as of right now, and I'm super excited about it. So I thought I'd do a super cool, weird video that I'm super excited but terrified to do, and I'm gonna be cutting my own hair. I have had my hair short before in the past years, but I think I'm gonna start it a little bit longer so that if I do a horrible job, then I'm not gonna have to cut it, like shave it off. I have seen so many hair fails on YouTube, and I found this tutorial from a girl that's been doing it for many years, and that is going to be the one I'm following, and I'll link to that in the description box below. Okay, so I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into an even section. I'm so nervous. Oh, I just realized that I'm actually doing this. Like, oh gosh, this is scary. Do I just cut?
Don't cut it too short.
I won't, Maddie. Oh. I don't know what angle to cut. Oh my god, I just did that. Oh my god, I just did that. Oh my god, I just cut my hair. Oh gosh, how bad is it?
Not bad.
Oh gosh, get me a handheld mirror in my room. It's like about here and about is that even? Oh god. Oh gosh. This is hard. Oh! I did it again! Oh my god, I did it again! I did it! Oh my god, look at how uneven it is. This one is so much shorter. Oh gosh. I'm talking really fast because I'm so nervous right now. Okay. Whew. Okay. I took another layer, and I'm going to straighten it and stuff, do the same process over, and then do a second cut. Well, I've been abandoned, I guess, from my sister, because she got too stressed. She's the stressed one! I'm cutting my hair! Okay, whatever. I'm just going to cut the other side again. Whatever. Okay, I think I'm on the fourth. I just finished the fourth layer, and this is how the back is looking. It's not too, I don't think it's too bad. I can't feel anything bad, but I don't know. It looks okay when I go like this. It's really short though. Okay, so my hair, as you can tell from the sectioning off that I've done, it has gotten crazy knotted, so I'm going to put some conditioner spray in it, and I'm going to brush it out and then section it back off again. Okay, so right now the hair cutting is going pretty swimmingly, and I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so this is the final, and I love it. I should legit be a hairdresser. And right now I will insert a before and after picture for you. Okay, so I think I did pretty well with the haircut, honestly, and Brad Mondo, if you come for me, I completely understand, but I'm gonna keep on cutting my hair, because I actually like how it turned out, and my mom was happy, because it saved 30 bucks, so. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it, and I think it turned out pretty good.